students. Today we are going to study lesson 4, affirmative and negative sentences. Underline the definition, students. Affirmative sentence. A sentence which agrees with a statement is called an affirmative sentence. Affirmative means which agrees, it means positive sentence. Next is negative sentence. A sentence which has no or not in it is called a negative sentence. You have to write down both the definitions in your copies. Now come to this table of tense. First is present simple. In affirmative we can write about that he writes. In negative he does not write. By using does not, it become negative. With I, we, you, they, I write, we write, you write, they write, anything according to that sentence you can use. And by using I, we, you, they, do not write, it means I do not write, we do not write, you do not write, they do not write. With I, we, you, they, do not. Now come to past simple. Again here I, we, you, he, they wrote. Write change it into wrote in past tense. And same way in negative sentence do not change it into did not. Underline, do not change it into did not in simple past sentence. Now come to future tense. Future. First example is here I shall or we shall write. And in negative we can use I shall or will not write. Again example for that plural one, you, he, they will write. Same way in negative change it into will not write. Once again present simple writes. Negative he does not write. Past write change it into wrote. And in negative did not write. Future will write and will not write in negative. Now come to present continuous. In affirmative sentence it means positive one. One example is there, I am writing, it means work is going on. In negative I am not writing. He is writing, he is not writing. We, you, they are writing. We, you, they are not writing. Now past continuous. In present continuous we are using is, am, are. Now past continuous was or were according to the sentence. I or he was writing. In negative I or he was not writing. Past continuous we, you, they were writing. We, you, they were not writing. Future continuous I or we shall or will be writing. I shall be writing. We will be writing. In negative I shall not be writing or we will not be writing. Now future continuous you, he, they will be writing. Now here in negative you, he, they will not be writing. Now come to present perfect. Present perfect has, have according to that sentence. He has written, it means third form of the verb here, written. He has not written in negative. Again I have written, I have not written. Now past perfect. In past perfect has changed it into had, again third form of the verb. I had written. In negative I had not written. Now future perfect, I will have written. I shall have or will have, anything you can use with that one. I shall or will not have written. You, he, they will have written. Anything according to that subject, what that subject is there. Now again in negative you will not have written. They will not have written. Students, you have to learn properly this table. Now come to the following sentences have been changed from negative to affirmative. Now see that how they are just changing. Negative. His son is not a doctor. In affirmative, it means positive sentence is there. His son is a doctor. You were not hungry. You were hungry. Again negative. They did not have enough time. They had enough time. Next sentence. He does not have a new pen. He has a new pen. The servant has not stolen my watch. The servant has stolen my watch. Read these sentences also to understand the difference in negative and affirmative. Now student, useful tip is there, underline that. The contracted forms, it means short form, doesn't, don't, didn't, haven't, won't, wouldn't, etc. are mainly used in conversation. Now study the following negative sentences and observe how these are written in two ways. First one, I do not know either Hari or Shyam. Second, I know neither Hari nor Shyam. Both the sentences having same meaning, but the way of writing is different. Now second one, we did not meet anybody there. Now another way of writing this same sentence, we met nobody there. Third example, I cannot bear this pain any longer. Another way, I can bear this pain no longer. Hope you understood now very well about affirmative and negative sentences. Now always remember, in a negative sentence, only one negative is used. Two negatives make an affirmative. For example, Rahul is unable to do this work is a negative sentence. But if we use not, it becomes affirmative. For example, Rahul is unable to do this work. Rahul is not able to do this work. Rahul is not able to do this work is equal to what that another way? Rahul is able to do this work. Read once again properly. You understood what I mean to say here. Now come to exercise A. Be ready with your pencils. You have to write down these A, B and C exercise in your notebook after writing the definition. First one, a sentence which has not in it is called a negative sentence. Second, an affirmative sentence agrees with a statement. Now come to B exercise. Write the following sentences is in another way. The first one has been done for you. One example is there already. It is mentioned here. You have to write down in your copies first example also. Now come to second point. She did not do anything. Now you have to write in another way. Answer is she did nothing. Third, he cannot play either cricket or table tennis. He can play neither cricket nor table tennis. Fourth, his father cannot read or write. The another way of writing same sentence, his father can neither read nor write. Fifth point, they cannot give you any more money. Answer is they can give you no more money. So you understood that all the sentence having another way also of writing. First one, just pay attention to this also. He has not done either his essay or his sums. Answer, he has done neither his essay nor his sums. So all 5 sentences with that answers you have to write in your copies. Now come to C exercise. Change the following negative sentences into affirmative sentences. First one, Mohan saw it nowhere. Answer is Mohan saw it somewhere. Second, there is no water in the bucket. There is some water in the bucket. Third, I know nothing about him. I know something about him. Fourth, she can play neither chess nor carom. Answer is she can play either chess or carom. Now fifth one, he never comes in uniform. He always comes in uniform. So students, complete your work. Thank you.